Tuxie. Hey, bud. Come here. You gonna go get your paper?
I'm gonna go get my paper.
Okay.
I was herding cats.
Well, his boo-boo looks okay this morning.
Oh, well, that's
It's
good.
not reopened. It seems to be healing, so
Good.
that's good. Tuxie. Hey, bud. Hello. It's noisy out here this morning. Every time I walk into the kitchen, I look out the window to see if I can see him, and he doesn't like to cause any trouble. So he's crouched down in the leaves, but that little white stripe on his head, it makes all the difference in the world. Hello. Oh, loud cars. Hi, buddy. Tux is asleep on the platform. Hopefully he won't come up the hill, but he probably will. I'll probably have to cut my visit short and haul him off. Hi. It's very hard for me to get a picture of this guy anymore because he won't get far enough away from me for me to get a picture. I put up my cat inflatable here by the Elf on the Shelf. If Johnny comes home and he wants to put up a snowman, that'll be just fine too. Either over there by the carport, or there's actually a plug on this side of the boardwalk and he can put somebody there. I drank my coffee, I sat down at the computer for 10 minutes, and then I got up and I haven't sat down since. It's like going on 1:30 p.m. I think I'm done decorating in the house, and I've got enough inflatables up that I'm happy. We'll probably add something else as we go, but I'm gonna call the necessities of the Christmas decorating complete. Snowman shower curtain up, check. Dawn's Christmas shirts, found, check. Festive Christmas stuff for me, found, so Michelle won't fuss at me, double check. The rest of the left end pieces out, check. I did have 3 smaller pieces, and I found that barn and also fine. I don't know what that is. I think it's a nursery. Check. And pie table, I did decide to take the space stuff off until January, and I put some Christmas stuff out. And enough snowmen and trains out to make everybody happy. Check. Don's out here in the garage working on converting my Angel to LED.
Yeah, trying to actually maybe make it a little better. Hard to say. We'll see. Plugging it away.
It's 4 o'clock and rain's getting close. I got a lot done. I went back and I did more than I even knew I needed to do or planned to do today, and I've still got 2 things I'd like to do. But if I don't make my run down to the environmental park now, it's going to be raining when I want to go. And there is a chance of severe weather this afternoon, so I sure don't want to be out then. Even Ruby hasn't been left out of the yearly Christmas decorating. Pokemon mission accomplished. Now to head back to the house. One of our neighbors was running an ATV around their backyard for a long time, and I kind of needed a break from the noise, and yeah, I just needed a break for a minute. So I've got at least 2 more things I'd like to get done before Johnny comes home and get busy cooking dinner. So I guess I best get back to the house. But I'm sitting pretty this year, right? I mean, it's not even December the 1st and I'm all set for Christmas decorating and to just sit back and enjoy the holiday, right? So that's a big plus. I'm pleased about that. I'm pleased until I have to put it all away. Don and I are relaxing now. I know one of us has really worked hard.
Wasn't me. Was not me. I've been on the phone.
Yeah, our neighbors are still out there on and off with that ATV, so I'm going to have a beverage and I'm just going to sit back and relax and look at my Christmas tree.